strong popular brands, bases deep consumer insights. Today, we have a presence and a strong one in almost all the major genres in the market. Whether it's Hindi channel entertainment, Hindi movies, English channel entertainment, English movies, music, Bangla language, and of course, a very strong presence now in sports as well. Last few years, we've been expanding in the genres that we already operate in. We've always been looking at opportunities of growth outside the genres that we've been operating in. And that's why factual entertainment. And when you think factual entertainment, the first name that comes to mind is BBC Worldwide. BBC Worldwide produced the best and most of the factual entertainment content that is produced globally. It's a privilege to have them as our joint venture partners. We complement each other beautifully, and you will see that come alive on Sony BBC Earth when we launch it on 6th of March in 4 languages, Hindi, English, Tamil and Telugu, in standard definition and high definition as well. So I'm sure on 6th of March when you see the channel, if not today, you will feel alive.
I feel alive because for 2 reasons today. The number 1 reason being what makes me most alive is I think I'm in the best phase of my life. Secondly, what is added to that and made me feel even more alive is to be the face of this such a prestigious channel that is going to be launched on the 6th of March. That is the collaboration of Sony Pictures and BBC. I mean, what more can I ask for? The most vivacious, the most alive, the most positive content I think I've ever seen on Sony BBC Earth. And to be the Feel Alive ambassador, I think I'd like to thank them for actually giving me this opportunity to, see and be a part of this world that I think as a child, every girl and every boy has dreamt of. So thank you so much, Sony BBC Earth, for actually choosing me to be this Feel Alive ambassador. And I think we fit in perfectly together. Like I said, it's the best phase, it's the most alive phase I'm in. And of course our personalities, somewhere I'm a happy girl, always looking out for positivity, and so is the content on this channel. What more can you ask for? Another reason being why I think I'm even more elated today is actually to be a part of the family of somebody that I've actually grown up hearing. One of the greatest storytellers of its times, Sir David Attenborough. To be a part of this family, to just hear his stories, I think for me it is the greatest achievement. And I would obviously once again take this opportunity to thank all of y'all, to the Sony team, to actually, who've made me a part of it. I think all of y'all have seen the campaign. What more, I think, what nobody knows is that I was actually 4 months pregnant when we shot this campaign. So, well, my son is definitely feeling alive at this moment, even though he's not amongst us. But he is definitely going to be watching Sony BBC Earth, watching all the shows on it, such positive content, such real content, such a connect to nature, to adventure, to wildlife. A channel that actually makes us feel so close to the things that we actually, we dream of, we never think of. Look at the story of whether it's Snow Chick, narrated by Kate Winslet. I think I hope I have the opportunity to do something like that in Hindi, if we could, because, I think it's such a touching story. All the stories are so relatable. A penguin who's going through so much hardships in, Antarctica. You actually think of that a human being can go through that. You can put yourself in such situations. Whether it's a penguin, whether it's a human being, the stories are so human. That's one of my most favorite stories, and it's definitely a story that I'll be showing Taimur for sure. And of course, Saif is also a very special mention. He has definitely asked me to ask them that he loves wildlife, he loves adventure, he's seen Planet Earth, he's desperately waiting for part 2. He's obsessed with the hunt. He's just asked me to ask that why was he not chosen as the brand ambassador and why his wife? So I said, it's because I'm also glamorous. This channel needs some glamour.